أهلا بيكم. Welcome to this new Egyptian Arabic lesson. Today we will talk about the top 10 Egyptian Arabic phrases you have definitely never heard before. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe in our channel to watch more videos about Egyptian Arabic. These sentences are very important because almost we use it in our daily life conversation. Watch this video to the end because number 1 is the most important. Let's start with number 10. Number 10 is ما كانش العشم. ما كانش العشم means I don't expect that from you. ما كانش العشم. ما كانش العشم. ما كانش means it's not what. عشم means what I expect from you. Something good I expected from you. We see it when we disappointed from someone. For example, I expect from you to do something but you didn't. So in this case I can say ما كانش العشم. ما كانش العشم. Number 9 is ماشي ورا دماغه, which means he's being stubborn. ماشي ورا دماغه, which means all the time I give him advice to do something good, but he chooses to do whatever he wants, even if it's wrong way. ماشي ورا دماغه. ماشي ورا دماغه. He didn't listen to any advice. Again, ماشي ورا دماغه. Number 8 is كله رايح. كله رايح means it's all going down the drain. كله رايح, which means if someone lost passion and he don't want to do anything. So in this case, he can say كله رايح. كله رايح. And literally, رايح means gun. رايح. We studied this verb with different structure in our course, Egyptian Arabic course from scratch. You can check the course from this eye. There is a discount for limited time. Number 7 is كبر دماغك. كبر دماغك, which means ignore it. Ignore it. Literally, كبر make it bigger or wide. دماغ is brain. دماغ. So كبر دماغك literally means make your brain bigger. Someone gossip about you. So in this case, I advise you by saying كبر دماغك. Ignore it. كبر دماغك. Number 6 is هات من الآخر. هات من الآخر means go straight to the point. هات من الآخر. Go straight to the point. Which means if I'm talking to you about something, but I don't get straight to the point, in this case, you can tell me هات من الآخر, which means what do you want? Exactly. هات من الآخر. Before we move to number 5, let me share with you the sponsorship of this video, which is Skillshare. In this platform, you will have access to thousands of courses in different fields. For example, you can learn languages, design, coding, or anything you want in this platform. Through this link, you will get 1 month free in Skillshare platform. So, get 1 month free and enjoy your learning journey. Number 5 is ده كان يوم مهبب. كان, it was, يوم, a day. مهبب means terrible. مهبب. كان يوم مهبب. It was a terrible day. كان يوم مهبب. Number 4. دخلنا في حيطة سد. دخلنا means we entered. في حيطة in a wall. سد is ended, which is in English we hit a dead end. دخلنا في حيطة سد. دخلنا في حيطة سد, which means we can't find a solution for this problem. دخلنا في حيطة سد. Number 3 is أنا مش طايق نفسي. أنا مش طايق نفسي, which means I can't stand myself. Number 2 in most Egyptian Arabic phrases that we use it in daily life is أنا هموت, then do something. أنا هموت وأسافر باريس. I can't wait to go to Paris. أنا هموت وأسافر باريس. So أنا هموت means I can't wait to do something. So هموت here means I can't wait. I can't wait. أنا هموت, I can't wait. وأسافر باريس and travel to Paris. Also this verb أسافر or بسافر we studied in my course, Complete Egyptian Arabic course from scratch. You can check the discount through this link. Number 1 in the top 10 Egyptian phrases that we use it in the daily life is اللي إيده في المية مش زي اللي إيده في النار. It's easy to talk when you are not the one suffering. اللي إيده في المية. So the one that his hand in the water. اللي إيده في المية مش زي, not like. اللي إيده that his hand في النار, in the fire. So literally the one that his hand in the water, not like the one that his hand is on the fire. اللي إيده في المية مش زي اللي إيده في النار. It's easy to talk when you are not the one suffering. Thank you for watching my video to the end. If you like this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe in my channel to watch more videos. Also, you can subscribe in our membership to watch exclusive content about Egyptian Arabic. See you soon.